All, this is Shriya and my team members are B. Comly, P. Deepthi, G. Manisha and my guide is I. Ravi Kumar sir and my project is prediction of employee attrition for HR manager using machine learning. And my abstract is, as you know, that nowadays employee attrition prediction is a key problem in the companies. Employees such as experienced technical and key employees tend to leave the organization where gradually financial loss occurs in an organization and leaves a heavy burden to the HR to choose a right person for a right work. So you are using the current and past employee data to analyze the important reasons for employee attrition, and we are using some different classification method, that is logistic regression, support vector machine and random forest method. In our introduction, we are showing that employee attrition is also known as labor attrition. Leading companies and some foreign companies are also facing challenges to recruit and retain the talents, as there is a loss of employees, there is loss of industry. Because industry sinks gradually, attrition defines in many ways, such as sudden resignation of an employee, personal health issue, and etc. So, losing an employee leads to a great loss to an organization. Losing, especially such as well-natured, faithful, trained, and workaholic employee, drastically affects the organization. So, in existing system, early prediction of employee attrition is done, where factors such as absenteeism, late coming, and risk interest of an employee is being considered, and the algorithm which is used is K nearest neighbors algorithm, which is what you can say predicted low in a low accuracy. In our proposal system, we are using three algorithms, that is support vector machine, logistic regression, and random forest method, where accuracy is better than existing system. In architecture, we are taking the data set and we are removing the irrelevant data. And the data set is being divided into two types, that is training data set and test data set. Training data set identifies the features, and after that data pre-processing techniques are being used, and after that machine learning algorithms such as random forest, logistic regression and support vector machine are being used to detect the factors that are leading to the employee attrition department wise, and then we are providing total information to the HR. This is our flow diagram where plurality of attributes are being collected associated with employees, and after that machine learning algorithm is applied to identify the pattern, and after the identification of the pattern we are predicting the future attrition, and the total information is then given to the manager. These are the 32 essential features that are being used for future attrition prediction, but for now we are using 9 features for the future attrition prediction, and this is of the first algorithm, that is random forest algorithm, which is supervised learning algorithm, which is used for both classification and regression, where you are taking some attributes from training data set and we are taking the most average or most voted attribute for the prediction of future attrition. And this is the second algorithm, that is logistic regression, which is a machine learning algorithm for calculation of characterization, that is nothing but that is a probability function. Third one is support vector machine, where it divides into two planes, that is positive hyperplane and negative hyperplane. As you can see, the green ones are being nearer to some dotted line, and some blue one, that is nothing but positive hyperplane, which are nearer to the dotted lines, and that dotted lines are being used for maximum margin, that is these two are being represented as support vectors, and this is the user interface where 9 features are being taken and where the prediction of employee is done, and we are saying that that a particular employee is at risk to leave the company or not at the risk to leave the employee to leave the organization, sorry. This is the output where there are 9 features which are graphically shown, and this is the bar chart where it shows the total salary level versus turnover in an organization, and this is the turnover frequency, that is department wise, that is R&D, accounting, HR, marketing, etc. Future scope is nothing but first point is This project is can be implemented by using deep learning and natural language processing techniques also. And the most important point is that this is only used for small data set, but this can also be implemented for real company data set also. So finally, in conclusion, I would want to say that we are trying to analyze the past and existing employee information to estimate or deteriorate the future attrition rate, and increase the industry level in high level. So that's all. Thank you.